comment in Python. So comments are very important in Python because once we write code, right, it is not just we are only the person who are going to read that, use that, right? So it is very important for us to add sufficient we should ensure that other understand our code. We should write comment in the code. So to add comment to our Python script, we just use hash sign. So this whenever you write something, this becomes a comment. So this is a comment. Okay. So and if you execute it, it is like considered as a comment. It won't execute. It is not considered as code, right? So uh, it so like that I have like an example like adding 5 and 8 gives 13. Okay, so print 5 plus 8. Yeah, so like that. So what you are doing, that should reflect on the code. So that's the that's a thing which we need, and it need not to start at the beginning only. It can be at the end also. Let's say 9 plus 7. So we can also add here, um, adding 9 and 7. So this will also work fine. So this can also be a way we can write comment in Python. Yeah, so that's all for this video. See you in the next video.